Go long. Go long. Hey, what's up, guys? We just got a touchdown. Sam here. Welcome back to another video. Got a couple new products to show you today. The new Apple MagSafe charger, as well as a new case. We can actually see how like the MagSafe snappy is gonna work, which is kind of wild. Plus, we have our first unboxings of the iPhone 12, one in graphite for the pros, one in blue. They're super slick. If you guys are excited for this one, drop a like down below, hit subscribe for more. We're like 4 days away from the new iPhones. Let's go ahead and jump in. All right, so obviously, we've seen the new phones, like they're official, they're out, but we haven't actually seen anybody at all like officially go hands-on with these just yet. So apparently, like for media, the people that Apple sends the phones to early, that's going to be happening tomorrow for the iPhone 12 and Wednesday for the new iPad Air that's coming out. I'm also super excited for the new iPad Air, but some people that got their hands on the stuff early have shared some initial unboxings, and it looks pretty cool. Like it's our first look in the hand ever. So I want to start off with the iPhone 12, the lower end model for this year. It has new packaging like we've seen, and you can see like the edges, they're there, man. Like this is really a mini iPad Pro, and like we knew that from the images and it's been obvious, but like seeing it in the hand, it's sort of just like they compacted the iPad Pro. Something new here is this screen protector of sorts. Since it's laying down, they switched it from being wrapped in plastic. I know, I wish it was wrapped in plastic. I mean, maybe the box is probably wrapped in plastic, but like the phone, you're gonna have this little screen protector on the front that shows you on the side like power up and down, how to actually mute the phone, which is new, and it seems like this is actually going to be across all models, not just international models. I mean, it's pretty sweet. You can see no headphones, no charger, but hey, is that really a surprise at this point? Because I'm not surprised, I'm just sad. And following that, well, okay, that's the iPhone 12, but what if you want to get the iPhone 12 Pro? Well, coincidentally, there's been an unboxing of this one, not in the new blue color, but it is in the new graphite, which is cool. So, I mean, it looks very similar in design, but you can see the edges are way shinier, way, I don't know, to me cooler looking because they're made of stainless steel, and you have the same screen protector on the front here that shows you like, I don't know, the new details about the device. Again, no headphones, no power brick. You got the same lightning cable. We didn't even, like inside of these boxes, there isn't that braided lightning cable that was rumored. Like we saw images of this leak really frequently over the summer. Like it was confirmed that this was supposed to be coming, like a recycled fiber braided lightning cable. So that's not here, maybe we get it next year, or maybe Apple releases it as an add-on at some point in the future, but in the box, it's pretty simple this year. We're really going down to the bare minimum. And fellow tech YouTuber RJ actually went hands-on with the new box, which is super, super cool. You can see it's way thinner, and there's actually only one Apple sticker on the inside. So Apple has reduced the number of Apple stickers in the box by 50%. I mean, honestly, guys, these are dire times. Also, a little update for the iPhone 12 series. You know how 5G is like the big feature that Apple's been selling? Like 5G. You've probably seen that like Twitter supercut that's just like incredible of just like them saying 5G like 70 times during the presentation. Well, apparently, if you use it in dual SIM, like you try to use 5G and then add a second SIM card, like a work line, a personal line, you can do that. That's like a cool thing you can do. Apparently 5G will not work on either line. And Apple has said this is coming in a software update later. According to a document, I think Verizon has also confirmed this, but like off the rip, you can't use either with 5G. So you'll be down to 4G as soon as you put a second SIM in, which is really weird. I guess Apple just needs some more time on it, but like heads up, if you're trying to use work and business line with 5G, actually neither of them will get 5G. Next up, let's take a look at some of these new MagSafe accessories. This is a really interesting part of the iPhone that is absolutely unique this year. It's like the magnetic stuff on the back. Spoiler for the MagSafe charger, I got a little excited, all right? I opened it up like 2 to 3 days ago when it came. And it's kind of interesting because it actually is a 15-watt wireless charger that charges at 15 watt, but the iPhone 12 supports 15 watts, but it doesn't support it from a standard Qi charger. You can only get 15-watt charging with the MagSafe adapter. And it actually does technically work with older models. I know a lot of you have been probably like, okay, does this actually work with an older iPhone though? And I will show you, like, there is a loose magnetic attraction here. I can feel it. I mean, I can't really demonstrate that on video, and there's like a lot of tension on it. But here, if I just like let it sit here, I mean, you can see, it's like it's on there a little bit. It's not going to be super sturdy, but like there is a faint magnetic attraction. So if you have the phone sitting on it, it works. So you could try this. Like, it's not great, it's not optimal, but it does like do decently well. Like, you can see it, you know, it kind of slides into place here. I don't know. Interesting observation. Like, Apple confirmed it worked with old models, but it was just kind of weird to try it and have it partially work. Okay, now for the case, because this is what I'm really interested in. So I got this case because I wanted to try out MagSafe. Like, I'm not usually an Apple case guy. I prefer like something from Rhino Shield or another third party because, I don't know, Apple's cases, they never have bumpers. I'm a big bumper case guy. But this year, they got me. And well, I was really interested in this. So the unboxing, there's like a couple papers inside per usual, just telling you about the product. This is the clear case with a very prominent cutout for MagSafe, all right? And, you know, you guys are lucky because here at iUpdate, we take this a step further than just getting the case. Here, this is actually kind of cool. I want to show you on the inside. So on the inside, this is actually kind of cool. There is some writing here that tells you like designed by Apple in California. So that's just like what you'll see before you put your phone in. But I actually have somewhere around here, there it is. I have the iPhone 12 in a dummy unit right here that I've had for a few months. So I'm fascinated to see how this works. I'm going to try to put this on here. All right, and look at that. It fits just about perfectly. It looks like the leaked dimensions were exactly spot on. So this is what it's gonna look like when you have, let's say, a white iPhone 12 Pro in the case. It looks kind of cool, you know? It may not be the most aesthetically pleasing thing, but I think in white it works. I think in other colors it may not look as good, to be fair. But now let's grab the MagSafe charger. So, I mean, look at that. Snaps in. You can kind of wiggle it around and then it always goes on, you know? You can put it in any orientation, kind of like spins around slowly while you've got it on here. And this allows you to charge your iPhone with MagSafe, which is kind of cool. It's definitely a niche feature. Like, I guess a big benefit will be wireless charging and using your phone at the same time. That could be kind of cool. Like, you can have this plugged in somewhere and just kind of use it because you don't have to like hold it on there. Like, it stays there independent of what you're doing, which is kind of neat. And then you can just kind of, oh, hey, what's up, guys? I'm wireless MagSafe charging my phone. And it will give you a significantly faster charge because it's 15 watts versus 7.5 that you normally get on the iPhone. So yeah, MagSafe, pretty wild. I don't know. It's kind of cool. I feel like it'd be way cooler when you have an actual iPhone in here. But I mean, even the snapping right now, like, this is how it's gonna be. It's cool. It's not as like intense as Apple made it seem. Like, it's pretty subtle, but it's subtle to the point where it stays on there, which I like. So this is the new MagSafe charger, new MagSafe case. It's here, guys. MagSafe is real. All right, guys. So this is the new MagSafe charger, MagSafe case. How it looks on an actual iPhone, pretty cool. I like it. I actually don't mind the clear case. I may end up running it. Although the drop protection is 4 times better this year. So it's like, do you even need a case? Is your screen even gonna crack? I don't know. I'm kind of scared to still do a drop test because that will literally be thousands of dollars that just break instantly for YouTube. And I don't know if that's worth it. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this one. Hope you learned something new. If you did, drop a like down below. Hit subscribe for more. I've been Sam. Catch all you in my next video.